Today we're reviewing the Ruko F11PRO 2, a mid-range GPS drone that promises 6K photos, 4K video, and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It also boasts an impressive 70 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, along with beginner-friendly GPS features. Check the link in the description for the best price. This section evaluates the Ruko F11PRO 2's performance in practical flying scenarios. The 3-axis gimbal effectively stabilizes video, allowing for noticeably smoother 4K footage compared to drones without this feature. Its GPS features, including auto-return and smart flight modes, provide a helpful safety net and simplified controls for new drone. With 2 intelligent batteries, the F11PRO 2 offers a generous total flight duration, supporting longer filming sessions without frequent recharges. While the gimbal helps, its wind handling is moderate, meaning very breezy conditions can still impact overall footage smoothness. This section shows how the Ruko F11PRO 2 performs in practical flying scenarios, delivering stable video. Here we consider whether the Ruko F11PRO 2 offers competitive value for its current. This drone bundles a 3-axis gimbal, GPS, and dual batteries at a price point that offers excellent value for these. Ruko is a recognized brand in consumer drones, though it doesn't quite carry the same level of proven trust as. Against other drones in its price category, the Ruko F11PRO 2 generally offers a superior feature set, making it highly. While already a solid deal, any further price reductions make this drone an even more attractive purchase, enhancing its overall. Looking at the price, the Ruko F11PRO 2 delivers a compelling feature set for the money. This section highlights potential issues and buyer complaints associated with the Ruko F11PRO 2. The drone's build quality is generally acceptable for its class, though it doesn't possess the premium, robust feel of more. Long-term reliability evidence is moderate. While GPS features offer a safety net, it's not as proven as more established brands. Customer support and warranty coverage are present, but based on reports, the real-world experience might be less consistent than industry. The accompanying mobile app and firmware, while functional, may lack the sophisticated polish and seamless integration found in higher-end drones. We're looking at potential buyer concerns for this drone, with overall safety being moderate, primarily due. The Ruko F11PRO 2 is a solid option for beginner to intermediate drone enthusiasts who want stable 3-axis gimbal footage and long flight sessions without the premium price tag of top brands. It's an excellent choice if you prioritize features over absolute software polish.